In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to export your videos with high quality on the CapCut app. No blur, HD expert. If you are new to this channel, my name is Soundsboy. I help video editor, YouTubers, and content creators level up their editing skills. So if you are looking to improve your video editing game, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Now let's get started. So guys, let me show you something before we go into the CapCut app to export the video. So this is the raw file of the video I edited in CapCut app. So let me show you guys something here. Once you click on this video, scroll up. As you can see 4K 24 frames per second. That means I shot this video in 4K 24 frames per second. You get. So once we go into the CapCut app, you can see I'm done editing the video already. Understand? I've edited the video. Once you want to export, you just click on this button here. You can see if you shoot your videos on 4K, don't export them on 4K, because once you export them on 4K and you post it on any social media, they are going to bring it down. You get. So we are going to export this video on 1080p 25 frames per second. Then click on export.